Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to check recently or last installed app on iPhone. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, go to the App Store on your device. Then tap on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Now tap on Purchases. Once you are on this page, you will see a list of all the apps you've ever downloaded using your Apple ID. Now you can check the date and time and find which app was downloaded recently. Alternatively, you can also check the home screen to see recently installed apps. Newly installed apps are usually placed on the last home screen, or sometimes they are not on the last page if there is space available on other pages. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.